All right, guys, here we go. Yeah, I think we like this room. I could see if we were to have gotten this room, Jalen would probably have made her a bed right here on the floor, right here where Pop Pop is sitting.
Hey, how y'all doing? Don't mind me. I'm just drinking some water.
Plenty of water in the room. Plenty of space in this room.
Oh, yeah.
This is great. Forward-facing rooms for us from now on. We'll see how it sleeps. Yeah, but this is nice. Really nice. With a great view.
I want to turn around and film up from that way.
You want me to film from that way? Say hi.
Hey, party people.
There you go. Very nice.
Turn it back this way.
Turn it back to you.
Always hydrate.